So welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a token in front of you friends which will be of great benefit to you in the future, which is the name of the project. If you buy this token it will be great benefit to you. Let's make a time wasted. I start my video friends. This token is a wonderful token whose name is Shiba Cash. The first thing you can see is that let me calm down let me come down. After coming down you have something like the interface that I am showing. We are the original Shiba Cash, and did you miss your chance on Shiba Inu? Don't miss Shiba Cash. And friends, Shiba Cash is a community-based DeFi project which was fair launch on Binance Smart Chain, and its aim to bring instant reward to the holders, which differentiate tokenomics and static reflection. And friends, after clicking something like this interface will appear. If you missed your chance on Shiba Inu, then don't miss this. Get your hands on some Shiba Cash and join our growing community. And coming down, you see contracted as tokenomics symbol. Friends, symbol, you see the symbol of this token Shiba Cash. Initial token supplier Shiba Cash. यहाँ पर you see 500 trillion initial token burn 325 trillion. Fair launch with 65% token burn and 35% sent to PancakeSwap. And which and see and you see come down. With each transaction, there is a 10% tax, and two functions occur: 5% redistribution to holder and 5% added to continue growing our liquidity pool. And RFL rewards for holding and benefits from our deflationary tokenics. 100% safe. Shiba Cash is fully vented and rug safe. Tech rate contract ownership. The contract has been renounced to the after creation. This contract to the after creation. Bind LP token. 100% of the liquidity pool token were bind, which makes them untouchable forever. Fair launch. All tokens were released into circulations as a fair launch. This means no reserved token on big developer wallets. And see contract audit. Our contract has been audited by tech rate and was confirmed as 100% safe with no vulnerabilities. Tech rate full secure audit. Light paper you show. Shiba Cash light paper. Light paper release. We aim to always be transformed with our community and continue with our efforts to make Shiba Cash the biggest community coin out there. Check out light paper to learn Shiba Cash and our future vision. Chinese light paper. You see light paper in Chinese language and see light paper in English language. To see roadmap, May 2021 fair launch and token burn, contract ownership, renounced coin market cap and CoinGecko listening, tech rate, security audit. How to buy? Our how to buy exchange on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap for beginners. To be able to buy Shiba Cash on PancakeSwap, first you need to set up a wallet that is compatible with Binance Smart Chain. Check out our beginner guides below to set up MetaMask or Trust Wallet. MetaMask Trust Wallet. You buy this token with MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Swag Store. Investment plan. Shiba Cash is a community-owned project with no tokens reserved for the team. Therefore, it runs primarily on Voltron and donation for the community. You see community investment wallet. You read Shiba Cash Telegram coming. Yeah, Telegram, Instagram IDs. You contact these owners and I see you the BSC scan. You click the BSC scan and interface show you balance. यहाँ पर balance show BNB values वगैरह, BNB values और BNB values and transaction list, and go back to the website, and I can see you price chart. You click price chart button and show interface in this, and interface show price, Pocoin chart, and price, its price 0.058474 dollar. And go to the website, and I tell you how to buy this token. First of all, you click purchase token, and interface show pancakeswap.finance. First of all, you click select a currency and paste this contract, and this contract, and import your token, and I understand, and import. You put your BNB, how much BNB you buy your token, and this its BNB, your BNB, and you buy its token. And guys, Allah Hafiz.